Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert date and timestamp in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking entries, logging activities, or simply need to record when specific data was added to your spreadsheet. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, log in to your Google Workspace account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to add the automatic date and timestamp feature. This could be any sheet you're using for tracking tasks, inventory, or any kind of data entry that requires time tracking. Now, here's where the magic happens. I have a formula ready for you that uses the if function to create this automatic timestamp. The formula is equals if open parenthesis cel not equal to quote quote comma. Now open close parenthesis comma quote quote close parenthesis. Feel free to pause the video right now so you can copy this formula down exactly as written. This formula works by checking if a cell contains any data, and if it does, it automatically inserts the current date and time. Once you've copied the formula, head over to the cell where you want the timestamp to appear. Paste the formula into that cell. Now here's the important part. You need to change the word CL in the formula to the actual cell reference where users will be entering data. For my example, I'm using cell I2, so I'll replace CL with I2 in the formula. After you've made that adjustment, it's time to test it out. Go ahead and type anything into cell I2. The moment you enter data there, you'll see the automatic date and timestamp appear in the cell where you placed your formula. It captures the exact moment when the data was entered, giving you precise tracking. Here's an extra tip to make this even more powerful. If you want this timestamp functionality to apply to multiple rows, you can easily extend the formula. Simply click on the cell containing your formula and you'll notice a small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag that blue circle downward to copy the formula to as many rows as you need. Each row will now have its own automatic timestamp trigger. And that's it. You now have a working automatic date and timestamp system in your Google Sheet that tracks exactly when data is entered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.